4 common mistakes in appraisal reports that you should avoid. Want to know? Let's dive in. This is the most common one. Overlooking the engagement letter. Always carefully read every client's engagement letter and provide what is specifically requested. A clear scope of work is your roadmap. Make sure it includes the purpose of the appraisal, effective date, property details, and any special conditions. Inaccurate comparable analysis. Clearly explain the adjustments applied to sale comparables and why certain properties are more relevant than others. Focus on a few most relevant sales, rather than relying solely on quantity, focusing on past or future values. Although understanding a property's past sales can reveal valuable market trends, when appraising a property, focus on its current worth, not its past sales or potential future value. Put these tips into practice and watch your appraisal business thrive.